Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my December 2022 BOXYCHARM Premium unboxing. So we are rocking and rolling now in the beauty subscriptions because I just recently posted my 2-in-1 unboxing video of both of my Ipsy glam bags for the month of December, and then I'm so excited that I just got my premium. So I'm also waiting on my BOXYCHARM base box, I guess, for the month, and that'll complete another month of beauty subscription boxes. So if you're not familiar with me and my channel, clearly I unbox a lot of beauty subscriptions here on YouTube, but I also have a series where I try out a new makeup product every day. So that's why I'm not trying on and swatching the makeup products in this video, because soon I'll be doing dedicated review tutorial videos on all of the makeup products that I get in all of my beauty subscriptions. And I pay for all of my beauty subscriptions, like Ipsy and BOXYCHARM. I don't get those sent to me in PR, and from my videos you can probably tell because I'm often disappointed in what I got. But let's hope for a good box right here, and let's go ahead and get into it. So the BOXYCHARM Premium box is a monthly box, like I guess the middle tier. So the base box is cheaper, the premium box is only one more product, and I think it costs $10 more a month. But I do love BOXYCHARM. I love the brands that I get in BOXYCHARM. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box here. We've got some product information because I like to see the retail value. Oh, what just caught my eye first is a product that I'm not super excited about because it's from Complex Culture, and I've gotten a lot of products from Complex Culture, and I don't think I really love any of them. And this here is brushes. I mean, Complex Culture does make good brushes, but I give the feedback that I do not want brushes because right here in front of me, I've got 5 of these little cups of brushes. So I am drowning in brushes. I do not need any more brushes. So I'm bummed to see more brushes, and I'm pretty sure I have these brushes too. Like I probably got like singles of these Complex Culture brushes. So this is an all eyes brush trio. So it's eye brushes. It's like a crease brush, a smaller brush, and then I don't like this packaging either. They're extremely hard to get out. Oh, goodness. And then more of like a flat top brush. So wow, the first product that I'm pulling out here, I am not too thrilled about. But these are very nice quality brushes. I think brushes are one of the things that Complex Culture does best. Let's see, the retail value I bet is super expensive because for some reason the Complex Culture brushes are like very luxurious. Yes, the Complex Culture Easy Eyes Trio is a $40 value. Wow. Okay, next up I've got, ooh, I don't think I recognize this brand. Ilalu's liquid bronzer with Camu Camu. Wow, this is a big product for a liquid bronzer. And I love getting to try out new makeup brands. Wow. Okay, how do I use this? Lightweight liquid bronzer gives your skin an effortless, sun-kissed glow with a buildable and blendable sheer formula. For custom bronze fit for any occasion, formulated with Camu Camu, vitamin C, powerhouse. So, okay, this is interesting. For the body, apply a quarter size amount and blend with a brush. Repeat as necessary to build desired glow. Okay. Well, this is different. I have not tried out a product like this, and I've tried out so many products. So this is very exciting. It's from a brand that I'm not familiar with, and it looks beautiful, beautiful packaging. And it's a type of product that I haven't tried before. So I'm very intrigued. Okay. The second product that I pulled out is pretty great. Let's see the retail value on the Ilalu's liquid bronzer with Camu Camu is a $32 value. Next, I've got a product from Ciate London, probably one of the brands that I get most often in both the Ipsy and BOXYCHARM. Oh, and this is Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. I am a big fan of the Ciate London Watermelon Burst line. The Watermelon Burst Primer from Ciate London was one of my favorites, and I used that up. Ooh, this looks very nice. I love setting sprays, and I'm so picky with all of my makeup product, but I'm very picky with setting sprays because I want it to actually make a difference. So I'm very excited about this, and it's such beautiful packaging. So yay, okay. This is a good product. All right, this box is maybe getting better and better. The Ciate London Watermelon Dewy Setting Spray is a $22 value. So next, underneath, hidden, ooh, we've got 3 more products here. First, I've got Make Serum Balm. I think I've tried this before. Yes, I have tried this before. I literally have it right here. And I did get it in a different shade. So before I tried it out in Pink Charisse, this is Nude Nova. And you know what? I really like this, so I'm excited to get this in another shade. The Make Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment retails for $26. Next, I've got, I don't think I recognize this brand. Can't even tell. BFC, maybe? No, that's not it. Perfect Collab Pencil Eyeliner Set. Oh gosh. Okay, so I seriously do not even see the brand on here, but according to my product information, the brand is called Beauty for Certain Perfect Collab. Retail value of $38. Okay, what even is this? Oh my gosh. If this is seriously yeah, eyeliner pencils. Okay, at least they're not black. But if I had gotten brushes and black eyeliner, I would be like, they've never even looked at my profile. But so this is kind of fun. A bronzy one and a navy. And from a brand that I'm definitely not familiar with. So, okay. I've actually been getting a lot of brands that I'm not familiar with this month in both Ipsy and BOXYCHARM, and I'm excited about it. All right, and so my final product in here, yay, I'm excited to end on a palette, and this is the Tres Luce Beauty Midnight Deseos Shadow Palette. I really like Tres Luce Beauty. I have now gotten to try out a lot of products through Ipsy and BOXYCHARM, and let's check out what this palette looks like. Oh my gosh, beautiful packaging. Oh, and I love this color story. Lots of neutrals, but then some fun sparkly shades. I thought I got a whiff of a fruity smell, but no, not really. But wow, lots of different colors. This is going to be so fun to try out. A great product to end on. So wow, overall this actually turned into a really good box. And the Tres Luce Beauty Midnight Deseos Shadow Palette retails for $35. That is actually less expensive than I was expecting. Okay, so I'll do a quick recap and then I like to add up my total retail value. So I got the Make Serum Balm, the Ciate London Setting Spray, the Ela Luz Liquid Bronzer, the Complex Culture Brush Trio, the, gosh, what is the brand here? Beauty for Certain Collab Eyeliner Set, and the Tres Luce Midnight Deseos Eyeshadow Palette. And all of that brings me to a total retail value of $193. So great value. Overall, a great mix of products that I am very excited to try out. Some new brands, some old favorite brands. And so if you've tried any of these products, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. And I'd love to hear what you got in your December 2022 BOXYCHARM Premium box. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.